Hi children, today we are going to learn about Roman numerals. Yes, in the last class we have discussed about 1 to 20 Roman numerals, right? See here, so Romans used these 7 letters to write Roman numerals. Okay, Roman numerals are what? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay, these are the letters to write Roman numerals I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay, capital I, capital V, capital X, capital L, capital C, capital D and capital M. Only capital letters they are used. So already we have learnt 1 to 20 Roman numerals, right? So here I am writing first 10 Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, these are the 10 Roman numerals, right? I, V, VI, IX and X. These are the first 10 Roman numerals, right? So here we can remember I easily. I means 2. We can remember easily. I means we can remember easily. This also 3, right? But 4 means don't write I. Don't write 4 I's. This is not 4. This is wrong. Okay. 4 means what? IV only. So this IV, how it comes, I will explain now. So we have 4 properties to write Roman numerals and to read Roman numerals. Okay, I will explain now. Here, first property is a letter can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. A letter, we have 7 letters, no? A letter can be repeated only a maximum of 3 times. Maximum of 3 times only repeated. Okay, not more than 3. Okay, that is the property 1. What is the property 1? A letter can be repeated a maximum of 3 times, not more than 3 times. Okay, that is the property 1, rule 1. And rule 2 is, so which letters can be repeated here? Only I, X, C, M only. Okay, I, X, C, M letters can be repeated a maximum of 3 times, not more than 3 times. Okay, V, L, D cannot be repeated more than 2 times also. Okay, only I, X, C, M letters only repeated 3 times. Okay, that is the rule 2. And see, rule number 3 is, suppose I am taking number 6, VI. Okay, how it comes VI? See, V means what? 5, right? V means 5, I means 1. Okay, I am writing individual values for these letters. V means 5, I means number 1, right? So if one or more symbols placed after the greater value, we have to be added the numbers. See here, 1 or more letters. See here, 1 letter only is there. V after here 2 letters are there. Okay, so if one or more symbols. So if one or more symbols placed after the greater value, the values are to be added. Okay, so here 5 means what? Sorry, V means what? 5. I means what? 1. And this I means also 1. So after greater value only we have 2 less numbers, 2 smaller numbers are there. So we have to be add. So 5 plus 1 is what? 6. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, have you understand? If one or more symbols placed after a greater value, the numbers to be added. That is the property 3. Okay, so here we can say VII means, V means what? 5, right? I means what? 1. I means 1. Here why I am adding these numbers? Because here 5 is greater number and 1 is smaller number, 1 also smaller number. So first big number comes, we have to add the numbers. Okay, this is the property 3, rule number 3. Okay, and property 4 is, if a symbol is placed before the greater value, then subtract the smaller value from greater value. Okay, that is the rule number 4. Suppose IV is there. So IV, how it comes? I will show you. See here. IV means, I means what? Number 1. Right? V means what? Number 5. Okay. In rule number 3, first bigger number comes. Right? See here. Here first smaller number comes. Next bigger number is there. Okay. So first here smaller number is there. Next bigger number is there. So if first smaller number comes, we have to subtract this smaller number from bigger number. Okay, from bigger number, like this. 5 minus 1 we have to do. 5 minus 1 gives what? Number 4. So IV means 4. Okay, so IV means 4. I means 1. V means 5. Okay, if a symbol is placed before the greater value, if a symbol is placed before the greater value, here before the greater value is what? Smaller value is there, no? So if a symbol is placed before the greater value, then we have to subtract the smaller number from bigger number. So we have to do subtraction here. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 gives what? 4. So this number IV comes like this. Okay, and see here Ix also same. If you observe Ix, so we can't remember easily this one, right? So I means what? 1. I means what? 1. X means what? 10. Right? Here first smaller number is there, next bigger number is there. What is the rule number 4? If a symbol is placed, before the greater value, here before the greater value is smaller value is there, right? If a symbol is placed before the greater value, then we have to subtract the smaller number from bigger number. So 10 minus 1. Okay, 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 gives us what? 9. Okay, so Ix means what? Number 9. These are the 4 rules in Roman numerals to read and write. Okay, I will write here clearly now. So see here 4 rules to read and write Roman numerals. First property is what? A symbol can be repeated a maximum of 3 times only. Right? This is example. See here I and X. I means number 3. X means 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is equals to 30. X means 30. Right? So and number 2 is only IXCM can be repeated. IXCM can be repeated, not VLD. Okay? And rule number 3 is, if a symbol is placed after the greater value, the numbers to be added. Okay? So suppose here XV is there, X means 10, V means 5. Right? Here first greater value is there, no? So add these two numbers. So 10 plus 5 gives us 15. Okay? XV means 15. And LXX, I wrote here LXX. L means what? Number 50, right? L means 50. X means 10. And X means 10. Here first greater number is there. Next two smaller numbers are there continuously. So 50. So we have to add by using property 3, because here 50 is a greater number, no? So first greater number comes, so we have to add numbers. 50 plus 10 plus 10 gives us 60. Sorry, 50 plus 10 is 60, 60 plus 10 is 70. Okay, LXX means 70. And rule number 4 is, a symbol is placed before the greater value, then we have to subtract the smaller value from greater value. Okay, I means what? 1, V means 5. Okay, here first smaller value is there, so subtract the smaller value from bigger value, that is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 gives us what? Number 4, right? So IV means number 4. Okay, and XC, X value is what? 10. C value is what? 100. Right? So here also first smaller number is there, next bigger number is there. So rule number 4 is what? A symbol is placed before the greater value, so we have to subtract the smaller value from bigger value, no? So 100 minus 10, 100 minus 10, 100 minus 10, 100 minus 10 gives us 90. So what is the value of XC? 90. XC means 90. And see here CM. C means what? 100. M means 1000. Here also first smaller number is there, next bigger number is there. So subtract. 1000 minus 100. 1000 minus 100 gives us 900. M value is 900. Okay, so these are the 4 rules in Roman numerals. Okay. So this is today's class, children. Hope you understand this class. If you like my class, please like it, share it and subscribe it.